Good morning, children. Exercise 1.4 we'll see now. So what is our first bit in exercise 1.4? Simplify the following expressions. Simplify the following expressions. So what are the expressions here given? What is the first question in exercise 1.4 first bit? 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5. 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5. We have to simplify this now. So 5 plus root 7. So solution given. What given? 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5. 2 plus root 5. We have to simplify this by solving. So how we will solve here? 5 is multiplied with 2 plus root 5. And second term root 7. So plus root 7 is multiplied with 2 plus root 5. 2 plus root 5. Now do multiplication. 5 2s are 10. 5 into root 5. 5 root 5 plus root 7 into 2. 2 root 7. Root 7 into root 5. How much? Root 7 into root 5. Root 35. Root A into root B. What? Root AB na? In the same way, root 7 into root 5. How much? Root 35. That's all. This is our first bit. First problem simplification. Second problem is 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. Solution. What is given here? What is given here? 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula here? A square minus b square. What is the formula? A square minus b square. So it is a plus b into a minus b. Na? That means 5 square minus root 5 square. 5 square minus root 5 square. Square ki root ki cancel. 5 square in the sense how much beta? 5 5s are 25 minus 5 is 20. 25 minus 5 is 20. Is it clear? Second, third problem is root 3 plus root 7. Root 3 plus root 7 whole square. Root 3 plus root 7 whole square. Root 3 plus root 7 whole square in the sense solution. So what is given here? Given root 3 plus root 7 whole square. Whole square in the sense it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. We have to simplify in this form. So a square is nothing but root 3 square plus 2ab. What is 2ab here? 2 into root 3 into root 7 plus b square, root 7 square. So square ki root ki cancel, square ki root ki cancel. So left with 3. 2 into root 3 into root 7 is root 21. Here 7. 3 plus 7 is how much? 10. 10 plus 2 root 21. Okay. Fourth problem same as second problem. Do for the homework. Second bit, classify the following as rational and irrational. Classify the following as rational and irrational. You have to classify which numbers are rational and which numbers are irrational. So see, if you see here, what is here? 5 minus root 3 is there. 5 minus root 3 rational or irrational? Root 3 and irrational. So if we subtract an irrational number from a rational number, what we will get? Again an irrational number. So first one is what? 5 minus root 3 is what? Irrational. What is it? Is irrational. Next, root 3 plus root 2. Root 3 plus, if we sum of two irrational number is again an irrational number. Sum of two irrational numbers is again an irrational number. So third problem given as root 2 minus 2 whole square. Root 2 minus 2 whole square. You have to simplify and you have to tell. So root 2 minus 2 whole square. Root 2 minus 2 whole square. Root 2 minus 2 whole square ni simplify chese same vastundi. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Now a minus b whole square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So root square ki root ki cancel. 2 minus 2 2 is 4 root 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 how much? 6 minus 4 root 2. Again we got root 2 as the irrational. So it is what? It is the third problem? Irrational. Next fourth problem, 2 root 7 by 7 root 7. Root 7 cancel. We left with 2 by 7. It is in the form of p by q na. So rational. It is a rational. Fifth problem, 2 pi. 2 pi is what? Pi is always a irrational number. So pi is always irrational. So it is irrational. 1 by root 3 also irrational. So check for the Last problem, seventh problem. What is the seventh problem? 2 plus root 2 minus 2 minus root 2. 2 plus root 2 minus 2 minus root 2. So seventh problem, what you are having here? 2 plus root 2, 2 minus root 2. 2 plus root 2 into 2 minus root 2. So what is in the form of a plus b into a minus b? So a square minus b square. A square minus b square. A square and 4. 2 square means 4 minus 2. How much? 2 I got. If we simplify this problem, I got as 2. So it is what number? Without root I got. It is rational. It is rational. All of you clear? Second bit? Okay. In the third bit also you do in the same way. Third bit also you do in the same way. Whether it is a rational or irrational. Whether it is a rational or irrational. So third bit what it is having? X square is equal to 7. X square is equal to 7. X square is equal to 7 means what is x? X is nothing but root 7 na. Square ikkadiki velte root avutadi kada. X ఏమైంది మనకి root 7 అయింది. root 7 అనేది ఏ టైప్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్? irrational నెంబర్. నెక్స్ట్ y స్క్వేర్ is equal to 16. y ఏమవుతుంది అప్పుడు? root 16 కదా. స్క్వేర్ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తే రూట్ కాబట్టి y is equal to root 16 కాబట్టి root 16 అంటే ఎంత? 4. సో ఏమి వచ్చింది మనకి? రేషనలే వచ్చింది కదా. సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి? rational. Third problem, x square is z square is equal to 0.02. z square is equal to 0.02. z ఏమవుతుంది? z square is equal to 2/100 అవుతుంది. అవునా? z ఏమవుతుంది అప్పుడు? రూట్ 2/100. రూట్ 2/100. రూట్ 2 అంటే ఇర్రేషనలే కదా. సో థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజ్ ఇర్రేషనల్. In the same way fourth one also irrational. Fifth one also irrational. Why? Because it don't have any perfect square na. So t power 4 is equal to 256. It is rational. ఎందుకు rational? t power 4 is equal to 256 అంటే ఏంటి? 4 power 4. 4 power 4. 4 power 4. 4 power 4 అంటే ఏంటి? 4 4 క్యాన్సల్. t is equal to ఎంత వచ్చింది? నాకు 4 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి it is the rational. It is the rational. Okay children? Okay na. So the ratio of circumference of the fourth problem, the ratio of the circumference of the diameter to a circle is c by d. C by d is represented by pi, but we say that pi is an irrational number. Why? What is the pi value? It goes on continuous, so we cannot we cannot stop. How much pi means what? Already you know that pi is nothing but 22/7. If we divide the problem, it will goes on continuously. We are getting means it is what? Non-terminating. It is non-terminating decimal. That's why pi we take it as we treat as the irrational number. Irrational number up to fourth bits. Exercise 1.4 Nana. This is okay.